Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to flip here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so to flip an image, an element, or any part of the design you're working here in Adobe Express is very simple. So I want you to go to the project or design that you're working once you are logged into your account. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can start from these amazing and inspiring designs that Adobe Express is offering. And of course, you can flip anything here later. But if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. Now, what I'm going to do is start with this design. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to add a new page so we can start flipping elements here all together. Now, for the next one is I'm going to add a media. I'm going to go to the videos right here. Maybe I'm going to be choosing this video, this lovely couple. All right. And another video in hand, maybe this holding hands together. Now, for the video, you might want to click on the copy right here. All right. For you to be able to flip it, I want you to click on this section right here that says flip horizontally. What will happen is you are kind of like creating a mirror effect for the video, right? I'm going to move this a little bit right here so you guys can see it. Now, on the next video right here, I'm going to add a copy of it, duplicate that. Now, what I'm going to do is flip it horizontally. You see that? Well, what happens if you play all of this together, you're kind of like creating like a mirror effect. All right, so this, I'm going to flip it horizontally right here. You see that? It's a mirror effect, right? One of the easiest way to flip all of the elements, sections here. You can also do that on the pictures. Now I'm just going to resize this so it would fall perfectly and the elements will blend together. I'm going to flip this image right here. Copy that right here, and of course, I can flip it just like that one. All right, so we have now placed all the elements together. If we click on play, you would notice that we have flipped elements here in Adobe Express with no problem. You can also do that within the elements. Right here, for example, we're going to be looking on some elements right here. I'm going to be choosing maybe a shapes. All right, so for example, an arrow. Duplicate that. And of course, you have an option to flip vertically or horizontally, making it like a opposite attraction, all right? You see that? Once you're happy with this design, all of the flip elements here in Adobe Express, just click on the download option. Download as an MP4 or any of these following formats. And if you want to share this flipped elements in a design, just click on the share button. Share the link to your boss or your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.